Hi everyone, welcome back to jalian.co.uk. We've got the Nerd Hunters box for October. I've recently switched this to the anime box, so I'm not sure if it was in time for this one or not. It's come in a big one, and as sometimes happens, they've put an extra little one in there to get all the stuff in. We'll go for the big one first. It smells nice. Looks like we've got the anime box. So we've got a pocket pop from My Hero Academia, and it's Kyoka Jiro. Pretty cool. Then we've got Ban Presto figure, My Hero Academia again, and it's Brave Graph. That's pretty cool. It feels quite a decent weight, that too. And then finally for this particular box, we've got a pop tee, and it's My Hero Academia again. And it includes a t-shirt and the vinyl figure of Dark Shadow, and that's what's in the box, which is really cool. That's everything for that part of it. Which seems really good. So if we go do the other half, or the other box anyway. To get out all these packaging peanuts. Trying not to get them everywhere. There we go. So we've got a pop figure, and again it's My Hero Academia, which must be the theme of this box, and it's Yugo Ayama, I guess. I'm not really that into anime, but I'm trying to educate myself. Then we've got another pop figure, and again My Hero Academia, and it's Fat Gum in slim form, and that's really cool. And I think that's it. 3 pair of geeky sunglasses. And that's everything. Really pleased with that. There's a lot of stuff in there. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time at jalian.co.uk.